Alright guys, this will be my first elevator video. Here we are outside a random parking garage, and let's ride the elevator. Let's check it out. Here they have a bank of 2 elevators here. There's the hydraulic lines. Let's take a ride to the top. It's a scenic elevator too. Floor 6 does not work for some reason, so we're just going to select 5 here and enjoy the ride. And here we are at level 5. Let's go. Let's go back down to level 1. It's actually quite rare to come across a scenic elevator like this. I enjoy them immensely. And back down to the landscaping. Over to the elevator equipment room. Maybe we'll get to hear it run some. That is so strange. That alarm is going off at a very, very, very low volume, and it's always going off, it seems like. So I think we're gonna hear this machine run. And here we have the parking garage elevator.